A warm greetings to everyone. Agriculture Makers in Mission IBPS AFO welcomes you to this video. And in this video, we are going to see a topic in which few people were insisted and inquired me to post a video on this through the mail. And the topic is said to be Government of India's Minimum Support Price, and it is said to be one of the important topics for your agriculture field officer mains examination. And come on, let's get into the video. And we all know that agricultural producers usually faces the problem of sudden fall in price. And to avoid this problem, every year Government of India announces the minimum support price and the procurement price. And there is a question that what is the difference between this minimum support price and procurement price, and what is the use of this? Let's go in detail to know answer for all these questions. Yes, MSP. It stands for minimum support price. It serves as the floor price and are announced by the Government of India as a long-term guarantee for the investors and also to give assurance that their price won't fall below the level fixed by the government even in case of a bumper crop. Remember, it is usually announced before sowing. Coming to the procurement prices, it is the prices of the Kharif and Rabi cereals fixed by the government for purchasing them domestically by the Food Corporation of India for PDS, that is your public distribution system, and it is announced soon after the harvest began. Remember, MSP is announced before sowing, whereas your procurement prices is announced after the beginning of the harvest. And usually these procurement prices are lower than the market prices but higher than the minimum support prices. You have to remember, these procurement prices are lower than the market price but higher compared to the minimum support price. Yes, MSP is announced for 22 crops, both Kharif and Rabi, and one FRP, that is fair and remunerative price, it is for sugarcane. MSP it is for 22 crops and FRP it is for sugarcane. It is recommended by the CACP, that is Commission of Agricultural Cost and Prices, and approved by the Government of India, that is CCEA, Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs, which is chaired by our Prime Minister. And this MSP is usually 1.5 times higher than the All India weighted average cost of production. In simple terms, it is 1.5 times higher than the cost of production, which is calculated all over India as it is recommended by the MS Swaminathan Committee. It is 1.5 times higher. This is the thing you want to remember. And the 22 crops includes 7 cereals, 5 pulses, 7 oil seeds and 3 commercial crops, and 1 FRP, it is for sugarcane. And the 7 cereals includes your rice, wheat, barley, jowar, bajra, maize and ragi. And the pulses, gram, that is your chickpea, argar, that is your pigeon pea, and moong, which is your green gram, and urd, which is your black gram, and lentil. And the oil seeds are groundnut, rapeseed or mustard, sunflower, sesame, safflower seed, Niger, and then your soya bean. And the 3 commercial crops are cotton, jute and copra. This thing you have to remember. Coming to the classification based on the season, there are 14 Kharif crops and then 6 Rabi crops for which MSP is announced. Other than that, The coconut and jute are said to be commercial crops for which MSP is announced. And then you have to remember what are all Kharif and what are all Rabi, because there will be questions. Find out the crop which is Kharif, or what are all the Kharif crops and which is not the Kharif crop. This type of questions you can see in your AFO mains exam. So you have to remember what all belongs to Kharif and what are all belongs to Rabi. And we can see that the 14 Kharif crops are rice, jowar, maize, bajra, ragi, that is your finger millet, tar, moong, and urd, groundnut, sunflower, soya bean, sesame, Niger, and cotton. These 14 are said to be the Kharif crops for which the MSP is announced. Coming to the Rabi crops, the 6 Rabi crops are wheat, gram, barley, lentil, rapeseed or mustard, and then safflower. The other crops includes coconut and then jute. You have to remember this. Coming to the Kharif season, we all know that sowing for Kharif crop is usually done in June, July, and the harvesting and marketing usually starts from September and October onwards. So, MSP for this crop is announced during June, as the sowing is taken up in the June, July. Before the sowing, the MSP is announced for this Kharif crop in the month of June. Coming to the Rabi season, usually the Rabi season crop is sown in October, November, and the marketing of this Rabi season crops starts from April, May, and the MSP is announced in September, that is before the sowing of this Rabi crops. Yes, I have posted here the MSP for Kharif crops for the year 2020-21, which is announced on June 2020. Thus, for the financial year 21-22, the MSP for Kharif crop will be announced shortly in the month of June. And we can see the crops paddy, jowar, bajra, rahi, maize, tar, and then moong, urd, groundnut, sunflower, soya bean, sesame, Niger, and then cotton. These are the 14 Kharif crops for which MSP is announced. And in this, you have to remember for which crop the absolute increase, that is the increase of the MSP when compared to previous year, is said to be high. And you have to note the crop. We can see that it is high for your Niger seed, that is when compared to previous year, rupees 755 has been increased for this Niger seed in case of Kharif crops. You have to note this. And other thing you have to see here is return over cost. The return over cost is higher for your bajra. Very firstly, your return over cost is higher for bajra. Then comes your pigeon pea. And then thirdly, it is your tar. You have to remember this. The absolute increase, that is increase of the cost from the previous year, is said to be high for your Niger, that is rupees 755 in case of Kharif crops in the financial year 2020 and 2021. Similarly, the return over cost is high for your bajra very firstly, and then comes your pigeon pea, and then your tar. This thing you have to remember, and if possible, it is good to read the MSPs. And the MSP is high for your moong, that is 7,196. Coming to the MSP for all the Rabi crops for the marketing season 21-22, usually I have said that the MSP for Rabi crop will be announced in September. that is the MSP for all rabi crops for the season 21-22 is announced on September 2020, that is the last year. You have to see here, for the MSP of rabi crop it is 21-22, for kharif it is 2021. You have to note down this. Thus, the rabi crop, the MSP is announced during September 20 for the year 21-22. For 22-23, it will be announced on the month of September 21. Come on, we can see what are all the crops. They are wheat, barley, gram, lentil, which is also known as masoor, rapeseed and mustard, and then safflower. Here it is good to read all the MSPs, and then the increase is said to be higher in lentil, that is 300 rupees. In rabi crop, the highest increase is seen in your lentil. For kharif, it is your Niger seed. If it is asked overall, means you have to compare both the things. And coming to the written over cost, it is higher for your wheat, that is 106. Then comes your rapeseed and mustard, and thereby we can see that the written over cost is higher for rabi, that is your wheat, when compared to the other. You can also take a screenshot to read the MSPs, and then the MSP for your kharif crop for the next season will be announced in June 2021, whereas for rabi crop it will be announced on September 2021. Coming to the copra, that is your coconut, the MSP is announced on the calendar date, that is MSP for copra will be announced every year during January. That is, for this time they have announced the MSP in January 2021. The increase is said to be rupees 375 in case of your milling copra to 10,335 from 9,960. For ball copra, the increase is 300 from 10,300 to 10,600. Coming to jute, every year it is announced on March, that is 2021-2022. July to June, they have announced the MSP for jute in the March 2021. The MSP is 4,500, which has been increased rupees 275 from 4,225. In addition, the MSP for Toria is fixed based on the MSP of rapeseed or mustard. Likewise, for de-husked coconut, the MSP is fixed based on the MSP of copra. You have to remember this. Coming to the fair and remunerative price of sugarcane payable by the sugar mills for the year 2020-21 sugar season. Remember, the sugar season is said to be from October to September. This you have to remember. Yes, the FRP of sugarcane for the sugar season 2020-21 is rupees 285 per quintal for a basic recovery rate of 10%, and the premium of rupees 2.85 per quintal for every 0.1 increase above 10% recovery dimension. I hope you would have got an idea over the MSP, and I once again mention here, the MSP for kharif crop is announced during June. Currently, the MSP for kharif is announced on June 2020 for the year 2020-21, whereas for rabi, the MSP is usually announced in September. Currently, the MSP is announced on September 2020 for the year 2021-22, and in the coming June and September, they will be announcing the MSP for kharif and rabi for the upcoming year respectively. And with this, we are concluding, and I hope the video will be very much useful to you. Any queries can be resolved if it is commented, and thank you for all your support. And do subscribe our channel for the earliest updates by tapping the bell icon, and see you all again.